promises of amazing machines in life.
Excavator rock wheel.
Excavator rock wheel. The excavator rock wheel is a powerful attachment for cutting through hard rock and concrete. Its rotating drum with carbide teeth ensures efficient material removal. Demag AC 500-8. Demag AC 500-8. The Demag AC 500-8 is a powerful all-terrain crane with exceptional lifting capacity.
Belaz 75710 mining truck.
Belaz 75710 mining truck. The Belaz 75710 is the largest mining truck in the world, capable of carrying over 450 tons of material. Powered by dual engines, it offers unparalleled strength and reliability. Chetra T40 bulldozer. The Chetra T40 is a heavy-duty Russian bulldozer, well-suited for harsh and cold conditions. Weighing 70 tons with 700 horsepower from a YMZ 8503.10 engine, the machine measures 8.5 meters in length, 4.3 meters in width, and 4 meters in height. Its blade capacity is around 32 cubic meters. The T40's rugged frame and powerful suspension system enable it to handle challenging terrain like rocks or snow, making it an ideal choice for construction in Russia or colder regions. Reach stacker.
The reach stacker is a heavy-duty vehicle used for handling and stacking containers in ports and warehouses. It features a telescopic boom that allows it to reach and lift containers at various heights, making it essential for efficient cargo management.
Sandvik LH621i loader. Sandvik LH621i loader. The Sandvik LH621i is a robust underground loader optimized for large-scale mining operations. Its powerful engine and durable components ensure maximum productivity in tough environments. Senebogen excavator grapple. Senebogen excavator grapple. The Senebogen excavator grapple is a versatile attachment designed for handling bulky materials with precision and efficiency. Its robust design ensures high durability, even in demanding conditions. Perfect for recycling, demolition, and forestry tasks, it delivers unmatched performance.
Delta Track 620 tractor.
The versatile Delta Track 620 lives up to its name by delivering power and adaptability in every environment. Equipped with a formidable 15-liter Cummins X15 engine that churns out 665 horsepower, this tractor is a powerhouse designed to overcome the roughest terrains and harshest conditions. Its Delta Track system not only enhances traction and stability across a variety of field surfaces but also minimizes soil compaction, which is crucial for preserving soil health. Inside, the Delta Track 620's cabin is spacious and luxurious, featuring large digital displays that provide critical operational information at a glance. With heated seats, climate control, and advanced controls, the DeltaTrack 620 offers a blend of high-end comfort and field-ready functionality. This beast of a machine is an all-around performer, designed to make each day on the field more productive and less stressful.
Tree spades.
Tree spades. Tree spades are machines designed for transplanting trees with precision and care. Their hydraulically operated blades ensure minimal root damage. Side dump bucket. Komatsu 2350 Laterno. The Komatsu 2350 Laterno is one of the largest wheel loaders, designed for mining and quarrying. Its massive bucket and high breakout force allow efficient material handling.
Excavator demolition.
Excavator demolition. The excavator demolition machine is designed for tearing down structures with precision. Equipped with hydraulic shears and crushers, it handles heavy-duty demolition efficiently.
Excavator hammer.
Excavator hammer is a formidable piece of machinery used primarily for demolition and breaking through tough surfaces. This specialized excavator features a reinforced arm and hydraulic system capable of delivering powerful blows to concrete, rock, and other hard materials. The excavator hammer is a versatile tool, finding application in various industries such as construction, demolition, quarrying, and road maintenance. Its ability to efficiently break through challenging surfaces makes it indispensable in tasks ranging from demolishing old structures to preparing sites for new construction projects.
Liebherr R950. Liebherr R950. The Liebherr R950 is a robust excavator designed for challenging earth-moving tasks. Its powerful engine and advanced hydraulics ensure exceptional digging performance. Built with operator comfort in mind, it excels in demanding construction environments.
Motor grader.
Motor grader. The motor grader is a precision machine for grading and leveling surfaces.
Marshall tree saw 1600.
Marshall tree saw 1600. The Marshall tree saw 1600 is a heavy-duty attachment for clearing trees and brush. Its sharp, durable blade ensures fast and clean cutting of thick trunks. Ideal for land clearing and forestry, it improves efficiency in tough terrains.
JCB 116 Soil Compactor. JCB 116 Soil Compactor.
The JCB-116 is a heavy-duty vibratory roller with an operating weight of 11,300 kilograms, equipped with a 93 kilowatts, 125 horsepower engine and a centrifugal force of 256 knots. With a working width of 2,130 millimeters, the JCB-116 is designed to ensure optimal compaction on road surfaces. Its hydraulic drive system allows smooth operation and fuel efficiency, while the comfortable cabin with wide visibility supports operators during long work hours.
EFT mining truck.
EFT mining truck. The EFT mining truck is a powerful vehicle engineered for hauling massive loads in mining operations. Its robust design and high payload capacity ensure efficiency in harsh environments. Muskox snowblower. Muskox snowblower. The Muskox snowblower is a robust machine for clearing snow in harsh winter conditions. Its powerful auger system ensures efficient snow removal from roads and driveways. Bucyrus RH400. Bucyrus RH400. The Bucyrus RH400 is one of the largest hydraulic mining excavators, known for its unmatched power and productivity. Hitachi ZX870LC6. Hitachi ZX870LC6. The Hitachi ZX870LC6 is a heavy-duty excavator designed for demanding excavation projects. Sky Crane Sikorsky S64. Sky Crane Sikorsky S64. The Sky Crane Sikorsky S64 is a heavy-lift helicopter used for transporting large loads and firefighting. Its modular design allows it to carry various payloads with precision.